Its march into Baardheere is part of a two-pronged attack on hunger in Somalia's interior. At sunup tomorrow, a joint French-U.S.
trip over here. They're using that as their base. It was a very long and hot journey for the Marines. Minesweepers led the way. They traveled in all 280 miles in 72 hours. It was the longest and fastest mechanized movement ever. They came under fire briefly, but there were no casualties, and CNN's Brent Sadler has the story.
The road to Baardheere was hot, bumpy and dusty, but a Marine's advance guard made it through from Baardheere without encountering any mines. It had taken them more than 10 hours. Anxious hours, on mines alert every minute of the way.
We rigged up a rake, a mine rake on the back of this 5-ton, nothing but a bunch of chains and one of these wheels right here, just to drag in case we straddled it, it would hit it and explode it before these people got to it.
Units moved slowly, safely along the dirt track roads leading to Baardheere, clearing a safe route for the heavy armor following on behind. Mines have been laid by rival factions during Somalia's 2-year civil war. No one knows for sure where they all are now. The Marines can't be too careful. The main thrust of the heavily armed convoy which left Baardheere followed shortly afterwards, moving first to the perimeter of the town and securing the airstrip. There is some nervousness given yesterday's explosion and first American casualties among the newly arrived US forces. Somalis were taking the latest deployment very much in their stride. The Marines faced no armed resistance and moved rapidly to set up defensive positions around the airport and the entrance to the town. Local clan chiefs have promised to help the military locate and clear mines, a top priority. Opening a route to this town is but one side of the problem. The multinational forces have yet to clear safe passages into outlying areas where food distribution to the starving poses serious problems. Reaction on the streets here has been somewhat muted. As with all these troop deployments, the general Somali reaction is to simply stop and stare at the unfolding events. Brent Sadler, CNN, Baardheere.